current mood is Tusker. Brought to you by Tusker. Vanuatu's premium lager. What's up, everybody? We're in fucking Vanuatu this week. We're going to be doing a lot of fuck all, drinking a lot of Bacardi, and just hanging out on the beach. So come with us. Brisket? Oh yeah. Oh, amazing.
Rice, salad.
We're going to sell some stewed brisket here, some cassava, rice and salad. It's been flat. So this one, chicken?
Chicken's different.
Chicken's different. Fuck yeah. Awesome. Okay, some coffee.
Yeah.
Relieve the bitchness.
Yeah.
Couple of fucking pineapples. So breakfast is pretty solid. Cassava. It's the first time I've had cassava. It was a lot tougher than I thought it was going to be. But if you dry that motherfucker in sauce, it's pretty good. How was your chicken stir fry?
That was yum. I enjoyed it. Like salad and rice.
Yeah. Now we're going to go check out this ladies' handicraft market. Hopefully it's open. True.
The carving here is the carving from Vanuatu, and the name of the carving is called Rom Dancer. It is chief. Rom Dancer is the chief, small chief to a big chief, Kanta. So in the community, in Vanuatu culture, we have three different carvings. We have Rom Dancer, we have Kanta, and we have Namaga. Namaga is the one at the back.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, everyone it symbolizes the chief. At the end, they do different function in the community. So it's called when you have this in your home, it's like you are protected.
Amazing.
And good luck. They look after you.
Thank you, Rebecca. Amazing.
Thank you.
Cheers. It's Tusker. First sip of the local beer. Pretty much singing.
One big lobster they cut into, right? 3 with lemon butter sauce. The other one is the moenia, right? Asian fish salad. Fish of the day is fish curry, fish croquette. So then the calamari as well. 2 fish skewer and 2 prawn skewer.
Amazing. Thanks, man. So this is our little plane to Espiritu Santo today. This is the smallest plane I've ever been on. I'm shitting myself, but also quite excited. Well, we made it, and I absolutely shit myself in takeoff, but we survived, and it was actually a pretty good landing. So here we are. Espiritu Santo. Welcome to Serenity. Aptly named, I think. We're here at Port Olry. We spent the whole day basically drinking booze, swimming. I've had about 4 swims today. It's a pretty good day. It's literal fucking paradise. However, with literal paradise comes a few issues. We took a stroll through the village before, and it's the size of a single block of houses, maybe 2. And there's 1,000 people in there. There's quite a lot of obvious poverty, but also people seem happy. So who am I to fucking judge respective happiness and good quality of life? It's a Saturday, so everybody is fucking at the beach having a good time, and everybody here seems really fucking nice. As it stands, these people are living a beautiful life, and I think it's wonderful. Also, Tusker fucking rules. Go Tusker. This morning our lovely host Angelique at Serenity Tree Houses has asked us if we want to come along to a a local gathering, which is sort of a pre-wedding sort of ceremony, as far as I can tell. So I'm going to see if I can't capture some of that and show you my specs tomorrow. Yeah.
We have to go over there because the aunties are doing the traditional food over there with the pig.
Yep. Amazing.
So we have to go and see.
Yeah, great. It's got a seat in there. Wow, a little piece of wood.
That's my first cup.
Yeah. That's a lot of people's first cars, right? So in here is meat, lap lap.
Meat and then I think cassava.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Cassava, yeah.
Yeah. And then all of this is put in there.
Amazing. So there's a pile of rocks on top.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
That's our traditional lap lap.
This is lap lap?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay.
What meat is pork? Pig? Pork, yes.
Pork.
Do you only have lap lap on special occasions? Okay.
That's a lot of work, right? It's the head of the pig.
This is the head of the pig.
The head is for you.
She will eat it, don't you worry about that. I see, and they cover up the leaves. I don't know how much you know. Somebody's always going to know more than you. Need to tuck it in tight. Great job. So how long does it stay like this?
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours? So lolly tree.
Yeah. Yeah. And then you just drop the seed. Yes. Yes.
Oh, ice block. Oh, thank you.
It's like a super duper crack taste a little bit.
Oh dear. Whoa. Whoa. A lot.
Swim on it.
That's incredible. That'll keep you going for days. It's pretty amazing.
It's kind of like a cough mixture flavour to it,
Yeah.
but like not unpleasant.
Not unpleasant, yeah.
It's like what I want cough medicine to taste like.
Yeah.
What was that hard out cough medicine that used to make you roll high when you?
Robitussin.
Yeah, it
Robitussin
still
tea.
tastes like Robitussin. Reminds me of grandma's house.
Yeah.
Grandma would give you a shot of Robitussin. Put you to sleep.
Yeah, that'll keep me going. Thank you. Carla and Bailey's. Fuck yeah. Thank you. This one is beef?
Yes.
Yeah.
I have just marinating it with soy sauce.
Oh, yep.
I have some onions there.
Yep.
And she will put them in. She put some salt
Yep.
and some oil.
Yeah, awesome.
And like curry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just put it in the fire to cook.
Awesome.
That's how we cook every day.
Amazing. Yeah, I love this. Yeah. And what is the iron thing? Is that
That's oven, little oven for local bread.
breads? Yeah. Cool. Ooh-wee. Smoky. So all of this is kava.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. So what do you do with this to make the kava?
Take this one.
Yeah.
And then we break them into small pieces.
Yeah.
And then we take out the skin. We cut. And then we put them in the ground. And then we grind them.
Grind them. Yep.
Then we mix them with water to
Yep.
make the juice.
Yeah, you're right. Cool.
Bourbon. This is bourbon.
I
No, in English water.
think we call ladyfinger.
One here. No, this one we call it apple banana, and the other one we say bourbon. Bourbon banana. Oh, yeah, the Chinese banana. This one is very expensive.
So is this wild or farmed?
Not this one.
Farmed. Yep. And to make the kava, Seems like it'd take a long time.
Yeah, it's gonna take 3 years.
3 years?
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
3 years, then you're ready to harvest.
Oh, to
nice.
the ground.
Yeah.
It's all taro.
Old taro.
Yes.
And you just use the roots, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. The leaf is a bit poisonous, right?
You just pull them out
Yeah, yeah.
and have the roots inside.
Yeah.
This one it's the baby one's growing out.
Yeah.
We call them water taro.
Water taro.
What is it?
What is that? So a bit of rice, a bit of beef, got some coleslaw in there,
Wow.
tomatoes and stuff.
It's good.
Aunties are getting on the best. Yeah, yeah, sure. So I'm trying to figure out the protocol. I think it's kind of loose, but mostly it's for the women.
Yeah, she was in this morning and today is once.
Yeah. 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 But they're now slamming straight brandy, like they're not messing around.
Yeah. Well, the next one, it's surprisingly well to fill in this stage gate to the next one.
Yep, yep.
That the mother's family pays for the kitchen.
Right, right. Right, right.
Next stage gate.
Right.
And then there is the second part.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Ugh, well, that's nothing again. It's wine. Thanks so much.
Sure.
It's just wine.
Thank you.
Shots of wine is actually kind of ruthless.
And then the third stage then is the marriage in church.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
On the other side, do the lap, and then they go home. And the other side, they just sit down and then.
Okay. Wait, so the ones who make the lap go away now?
Yeah.
And then everyone else sit down to eat?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, look. That's amazing.
So we just left the wedding, the engagement party. Sorry. It was an intensely intense experience. All the aunties are passing around straight brandy, which is like 30 degrees, and I didn't dare turn down a shot because I didn't want to look weak. Because these are some tough ladies, but it was an amazing experience. We're now heading back to our ACOM because we figured it was time to not overstay our welcome, but what an incredible experience. And yeah, Vanuatu, fucking get it done. Make it good.